Hello, hi everyone. After a long gap, welcome back to our channel English Tech for You. Today in our class, we'll discuss about 10th class English lesson The Dear Departed. The lesson The Dear Departed was written by Stanley Houghton. We have two parts in this Dear Departed. Let us have a quick review about the author Stanley Houghton. About the author William Stanley Houghton was born in 1881 and died in 1913. He was a famous English dramatist. He was one of the best of a group of realistic playwrights, often called the Manchester School. In every play, he sought to present an idea. So this is about a short and a quick review of about the author William Stanley Houghton. Let us see the characters in The Dear Departed. Abel Merriweather, father of Amelia and Elizabeth. Mr. Amelia Slater. The Dear Departed is a one-act play. Let us look on to the characters. Amelia, Elizabeth. Husbands of Amelia and Elizabeth are Henry Slater, Ben Jordan, and Abel Merriweather, father of Amelia and Elizabeth. Victoria Slater, a girl of 10, Amelia's daughter. These are the characters involved in this one-act play, The Dear Departed. Today in this session, we will going to discuss The Dear Departed lesson not in detail, but a quick review, the summary of this one-act play I'll tell you. Let us see the characters one by one. First, we will discuss about Abel Merriweather. Mr. Merriweather is over 70 years. He is bright and vigorous, it means strong, with a twinkle in his eyes. He believes in eating, drinking, and being merry. First, we will discuss about Abel Merriweather. Mr. Merriweather is over 70 years. He is bright and vigorous, means strong, with a twinkle in his eyes. He believes in eating, drinking, and being merry. He is frank and straightforward. He takes the wise decision of disowning his children and start making his life more comfortable by remarrying at the age of past 70. The second next character is Ben Jordan. He is rather a jolly man, accustomed to be humorous, but at present trying to adapt himself to the regrettable occasion. He has a bright, chirpy voice. He also in complete mourning with black gloves and a band around his hat. Ben Jordan is one of the character. Ben Jordan is a husband of Elizabeth. Our next character is Mr. Slater. Henry Slater is a husband of Amelia. He is a stooping heavy man with a drooping moustache. He is wearing black tailcoat, grey trouser, a black tie and a bowler's hat. Mr. Slater is a husband of Amelia. Our next most important character is Amelia. Amelia is a vigorous and pearl lady who stays prepared to do any amount of straight talking to get her own way. It is understood that she is very dominating by the way she treats her daughter. She is insensitive too. She does not believe in making any sort of kind gesture or suggestions. She is shown to be very greedy and quite a huge opportunist. So she is very vigorous and purple, red-faced woman and vulgar woman. She is in black. And we have one more character which is not shown in this picture. That is Jimmy, son of Elizabeth and Jordan. So let us quickly have a review of the one act play The Dear Departed. One day, Amelia felt that Abel had died. This latter sent a telegram to the Jordan about the death of Abel Merryweather. Before the arrival of Ben, the Slatters had pinched Abel's bureau and clock, all the things which belongs to Abel Merryweather. Can you see in this picture the clock and the bureau? Before the arrival of Ben Jordan and Elizabeth, Amelia wanted to pinch Abel's Merryweather bureau and clock. The Slatters and the Jordan wanted to ascertain if Abel had paid his insurance premium. Victoria was sent to Abel's room to bring key bunch of the bureau. Suddenly, Victoria came into the room telling that grandfather was moving. So suddenly, Victoria said that, Mama, grandfather was getting up. Abel found fault with the two daughters and wanted to change his will. Abel informed that he was going to marry Miss John Shorrocks at St. Philip's Church at 12 o'clock. So this is the invitation that Abel Merryweather wanted to marry John Shorrocks at St. Philip's Church at 12 p.m. So here Abel Merryweather decided to marry Miss Shorrock, John Shorrock. Why? Because the fault that made by two daughters and wanted to change his will by marrying John Shorrocks. So in this one act play, the main theme of this one act play, The Dear Departed, is the old are the precious gem in the center of the household. So we have to take care of our old persons. It means our grandfathers, grandmothers. The old are the precious ones. Why? Because they'll give you everything and they'll make you laugh and they'll share everything and they'll say stories with us. So we have to take care of our grandparents in our home. Children, now you have understood this one act play, The Dear Departed. I will give you a brief explanation about the part 1 and 2 of The Dear Departed. See here how to write an invitation card. First we have to write an outline, and inside the outline, the wedding invitation. We solicit your gracious presence to bless us at our marriage and share the bliss of celebration. So this is the thing that we have to write when we want to write a invitation. Bridegroom Mr. Abel Merryweather and bride Miss John Shorrocks. Venue is St. Philip's Church, James Street, London. Date and time on Monday, 1st April 2015 at 12 p.m. Lunch is 1st April 2015, 12 noon onwards. Yours, Abel Merryweather and John Shorrocks. This is a cell number here, mobile number. So this is the way we have to write an invitation card. Children, I hope you have understood very well of this Dear Departed and how to write an invitation card. Thank you so much.